Okay, next up we're going to go through the bridges to the songs. There's 3 of them, each with different fills. And we're going to go over them all in this segment of the video because they're so similar. All we have to do is plug in the different fills at different places. The first one is between the first 2 verses because they don't go to a chorus. The second one is between the second verse and the chorus, and the third one is between the third verse and the third chorus. I'm going to play them along, or play the first one along with the music, and then we'll go over it chord for chord. I'll do that once more for you so you can get it. Okay, so there that is. What we're going to do is use our bar chord that we learned earlier, this shape, starting on the 3rd fret, and we're going to pluck just the bottom, then just the top. Then we're going to move it up to the 5th fret, same idea. So what we have so far is this. One more time. Then our fill. And this fill looks like this. We start with our 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the 4th string, then our 1st finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string, then our 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the 3rd string, and those are going to be the first 3 notes to it. Next we bend the 9th fret note, like we learned earlier, release it, like so, and then pull to the 7th fret using the pull technique we learned earlier. So the whole thing looks like this. And we're going to do that just once, so that it looks like this. And from there we do this again. Then we're going to move down here to the open position. 1st finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. And an open 3rd string, 2nd fret bent, bring it back down, and pull. And then we're going to do this again. 3rd fill looks like this, which is 6th fret with your 3rd finger on the 3rd string, and you're going to pick this kind of as fast as you can. And then quickly pick the 4th fret note using your 1st finger just once, and then the 7th fret note here with your 3rd finger. This is all on the 3rd string. And it's kind of sloppy the way he does it. I doubt he does it the same way twice, at least with how many picks he uses. Something like that. So there's our fills for the 1st bridge. Let's take a look at the 2nd one. What we're going to do here is our chord shape again. Original thing we did. Then we're going to do this again. Then a different fill, which is up here with our 2nd finger on the 9th fret, 3rd string. Then 1st finger, 8th fret, 2nd string. 3rd finger, 10th fret, 2nd string. So those are our first 3 notes. Then we're going to bend and release just like we've been doing, all on the 2nd string, and pull to the 8th fret, like that. So the whole section looks like this so far. Last part is the same lick we saw before. Then we wrap it up. So there's the 2nd bridge. Let's take a look at the 3rd bridge. Okay, so this is the same idea again, 2 of the licks that we know. we're going to use, it's just about the same as the first verse, except we're going to replace this with this. And this little lick here is your pinky on the 10th fret and third finger on the 10th fret, second string. And we're going to bend the second string note while maintaining the pinky right here. And then we're going to bend it back down and then pluck first string. First finger rather on second string, 8th fret. So it looks like this. So that's our other fill. The whole third bridge is going to look like this. So there's our 3 bridges to the song. Each one is a little bit different. I think they're easy to play, but they're hard to remember what order everything goes in when you do the full song play along. Let's move along to the chorus.